Oh, that should be going. So this is changing the front shocks on a 1997 Ford Power Ranger. So this is going to be the fun one up here because there's no room to move. Let's just keep it in place. Alright, so I'm going to slide that up, slide this on. Oh yeah, it fits on nice and easy. Alright, did I already put the... And that should go up there. Alright, that fits there. All right, one last check. Make sure everything is still tight. All right, so that is replacing a front shock 1997 Ford Power Ranger. This is the front shock from a 1997 Ford Ranger. And we'll see the quality just by looking at it. And look at that. That is what I had in the front on both sides.